The sound of screaming. I moved into this apartment because it was cheap, suspiciously cheap. The landlord gave some excuse about the last tenant leaving in a hurry, but I didn't ask too many questions. I should have. The first night, I heard it, a scream, faint, distant, but unmistakable. I bolted upright in bed, heart pounding. It came from inside the apartment, somewhere behind the walls. I spent the next day searching, tapping on surfaces, checking vents, pressing my ear against the drywall. Nothing. Just silence. I convinced myself I imagined it. Until the next night. The scream came again, louder this time. Ragged, desperate. I jumped out of bed and ran to the kitchen where the sound seemed strongest. My hands shook as I pressed against the wall. It was warm. Then, beneath my fingertips, the wall shifted. I stumbled back. The scream cut off instantly, replaced by silence so heavy I could barely breathe. My head spun, my vision blurred. Then, a whisper right against my ear. "Help me." I grabbed my keys and ran. I didn't pack, didn't look back, just fled. This morning I called my landlord, told him I was breaking the lease, that I didn't care about the deposit. He sighed like he had heard it all before. "Did you hear the screaming?" he asked. I hung up, and now, as I'm writing this from my car, I swear I can hear it again. But this time, it's coming from the back seat.